Dear Mommy, today is more than your graduation day. It is a celebration of a journey that only a truly remarkable woman could finish. Behind your master's degree in social work are sleepless nights, quiet struggles, and sacrifices that many people will never see. You carry the weight of being a full-time social worker, a devoted wife, and a loving mother. Yet you never stop putting others before yourself. I know there were so many moments when you wanted to give up. The pressure was overwhelming, the responsibilities were endless, and the exhaustion felt unbearable. We saw the stress behind your smile, the long days that left you drained, and the determination you showed every morning to keep going, even when you were physically and mentally exhausted. You taught us that true success isn't measured by how easy the journey is, but by the courage to keep moving forward when every reason tells you to stop. Your perseverance, compassion, and faith have inspired not only the people you serve, but also the family that has the privilege of calling you ours. Today, as you receive your diploma, know that it represents far more than an academic achievement. It is a reward for every sacrifice, every prayer, every late night, and every battle you fought in silence. We could not be more proud of you. As you celebrate this remarkable milestone, please know that you are surrounded by people who deeply love you, believe in you, and rejoice in your success. To make this day even more special, we prepared a video filled with heartfelt messages from family, friends, colleagues, and loved ones who want to congratulate you and celebrate your achievement. Congratulations, Mommy. You didn't just earn a master's degree. You inspired all of us. We love you more than words can ever express.
Hello, George. Una sa lahat, a huge congratulations to you. Finally, you'll be earning your master's degree. I'm so proud of you. I will always be proud of you. And pagpatuloy mo lang yung pag-pursue ng mga gusto mo sa buhay, lalo na rin sa iyong career at sa iyong family. I know your family, your former co-workers at your current co-workers are very, very proud of you. Ituloy mo lang yan, ang kahusayan sa lahat ng iyong ginagawa. And I know mas malayo pa ang mararating mo. And stay healthy, stay fit, and soar high. Congratulations, George!
Hi, Jean. Warmest congratulations on the successful completion of your master's degree. May this achievement open new opportunities, growth, and meaningful service. Continue to lead with integrity and inspire others with your knowledge and leadership. Wishing you continued success in all your future endeavors. As your thesis advisor, I am proud of your well-deserved accomplishment. Congratulations on this remarkable milestone.
Hi, Madam! Congratulations! You inspire me na ipagpatuloy ang aking thesis. Next year naman ako.
You inspire me na mag-aral ng electronics sa TESDA. Kasi buti ka pa, marami kang tayo mag-aral. Ako, nakakapagod. Yun na.
Yes.
Yan na.
Hi, Queenie! Congratulations! I'm so happy for you. Balita ko, tapos ka na sa Masters mo. Sana kagaya mo, magkaroon din ako ng drive para tapusin ko naman yung akin. So, anong next mo? Doctorate? Alam ko, kayang-kaya mo yan. Miss you, Queenie! Congrats!
Congratulations to your graduation day, George. More blessings to come.
Hi, Ma'am George. Happy graduation po. Congratulations. See you soon.
Hi, John Gray. Talagang John Gray, no? Hindi ko alam paano. Pero, bakit kayo nagtatagalog? Pero, congratulations kay, siyempre, nakahuman ka mo, masteral. Maarambod ako nga kung ano kita kabisihan na nag-work. Pero, despite ito mga kabisihan, talaga nakuha mo magkamayadahan time para mag-aaral ng masteral. So, congratulations and I hope kung ano man iti mo career plan, ma-achieve mo and marami pang blessings and may hatag Ginoo mo, especially sa career mo at of course sa family mo, personal mo, ano man ang plano dapat Ginoo para mo in ma-achieve mo gihapon or makarawatan mo gihapon ito. So, happy graduation. Maaram ako nga talaga, kumbaga ako ang sunog kilay ko noon nga pag-eskwela kay di agad talaga yung harumamay na. So, thank you kanin mo oras and syempre kina Bernard and kami nga nagsuporta mo pero kami ngayon mga kaklase or classmates syempre silently happy kami kan mga achievement na amon mga kaklase nga katulad mo gihapon. So be happy and sana no ma-achieve mo kung ano ang dapat mo ma-achieve tungod hindi nga imong milestone ng imong career. So asyadto, bye-bye.
Hello, Jim! How are you? By the way, congratulations! Wow! So proud of you, Jim! Na nakatapos ka na mo Masters. So, keep what you are doing right now. Congrats! And pasaglit na mga basher regarding mga youth offenders. Balitaw, Jim. Congratulations! I'm very proud of you. Hiti mo mga achievement and hiti mo mga gimbubuhat yan. I miss you and congrats again. Bye!
Happy graduation! Kakato ba? Graduate na niya pera Andrea nga ni Jean. Karisyo niyo nga duha. Dungan-dungan ka mo college. Dungan-dungan ka mo yan ang master. Tapos parehas pa ka mo work. Oo, nakarisyo. Huwag ka mong kambal. Happy graduation!